Hey everyone, Trevor and Katie Bird here with Durango Harley-Davidson for your June update. Summer is off to a great start and we've got a lot of great things in store for this month. We hope that you'll come join us for our Thursday night rides, which will be happening all summer long, every Thursday starting at 6 o'clock here at the shop. It's a great time to get together with the staff and take some fun rides around town. We also have our swap meet coming up on June 8th, and that's from 10 to 3. It's one of the biggest swap meets around the La Plata County area, so mark your calendars for that. Then we also have our open house and bike night on June 21st. Lots of good things in store for that as well. Keep updated on our Facebook page for more details on that coming up soon. And then on June 29th is the local Naughty Schoolgirl Run. That is an annual event that happens every year in support of our local veterans. So we hope that you'll mark your calendars and come join us from that on June 29th.
Yeah, no doubt. Exciting month. And in June, we are now officially in our summer hours. So we are open Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. and Saturdays from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. And Silverton Harley-Davidson is open. Go visit the world's highest Harley shop. They are open 7 days a week from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. So take advantage of those extended summer hours and stop by and check out the largest selection of new certified pre-owned and pre-owned Harley-Davidson motorcycles in the Four Corners. If you're looking for that dream ride, we either have it or we will go find it for you. Also, we are buying motorcycles. So if you or you know someone who might be looking to sell their Harley-Davidson motorcycle for whatever reason, we want to talk to them. It's hassle-free. You don't have to wait by putting it on consignment and hope someone can buy it. You don't have to put it on Marketplace and have some stranger come to your house. Bring the bike to us. You got the title. Leave the same day with the check in your hand. We'd like to make it easy. We've also got some opportunities, some employment opportunities that we're hiring for. We're taking applications for internet sales specialists, for fit specialists in our sales department. And so if you are interested in joining a great and growing team, please hit us up. You can visit durangoharley.com and fill out an application online. Couldn't be more proud of the team. They have continued to set record after record after record in 2024, and huge thank you to all of our customers. We're here because of you. We're here to serve you, and so thank you for giving us a chance and for trusting us and earning your business. And lastly, get ready to rally. So lots of good events coming up throughout the summer. Obviously Sturgis in August, but our favorite event, Four Corners Motorcycle Rally on Labor Day weekend. It's really shaping up to be the biggest year yet. We're bringing back Builtwell to do the kickoff party on Friday night. In addition to a rough stock rodeo Friday night, we'll have our flat track racing Saturday, the drifter cross races with Sly Fox during the day on Saturday, V-Twin Visionary Performance Bike Show, Iron Goddess Women's Bike Show, Real Deal Revolution, Moto Climb, Hill Climb Racing at Purgatory, and so much more. FourCornersMotorcycleRally.com. Tickets are on sale now. Get them while they are available, and we can't wait to see you all here Labor Day weekend for Four Corners Motorcycle Rally.